First, look at Windows 11 redesign MS Paint with unreleased dark mode. Microsoft Paint, otherwise known as just Paint, is the famous drawing app that been included in all versions of Windows. MS Paint was one of the first apps to receive a significant redesign on Windows 11. The new interface is available to everyone using Windows 11, but dark mode support is still missing. It been several months since the release of the new Paint app, but testers in the Windows Insider program are yet to receive the dark mode treatment. It was suggested again in late 2022 that the dark mode feature would arrive in a future Paint update, but there has been no update from the company. It is worth noting that Microsoft Paint uses the new WinUI library, which does handle light and dark modes automatically, similar to Apple UI libraries and GTK on Linux. The problem with dark mode is implementation in Paint is released to the old Win32 bits in the app. Of course, Paint supports dark mode, but the feature is hidden and requires several changes to app code base at the moment. Dark mode in Paint isn't fully ready. However, if you can't wait any longer, a new third-party app called WinDock lets you customize your Windows experience with more dark mode effects. WinDock is an open source mode based tool, and it has been updated with a new mode that turns on the hidden dark mode support in Paint on any version of the OS. For those unaware, Microsoft has been internally working on dark mode support for Paint and dark mode theme. Bit are already present in the operating system. To switch to dark mode, you must manually edit the app code or used WinDock's mode to enable this feature. Paint in dark mode themes does look great thanks to the WinUI control and buttons. Remember that it will only work for Windows 11 21S2 or newer. Also, it's generally not a good idea to use a third-party hack to turn on hidden feature. Thus, we recommended trying it on a virtual machine only. If you are still interested, you can get started by following these steps. Install Windows 11 on a virtual machine, highly recommended. Download and run the app from GitHub. Click Explore or Browse for modes. Search dark and look for dark paint in the result. And finally, click on the install button to apply the changes. Once done, MS Paint will automatically launch in dark mode. You can always uninstall the mode or the app itself to revert any changes made to the OS.